How to increase testosterone levels quickly, the best tips and tricks. Testosterone is a hormone that plays a major role in health, sex drive and energy levels, and muscle growth. Testosterone is critical for how our body looks, feels, and functions. But as we get older, testosterone levels naturally drop by about 1% per year. Testosterone may decrease even faster due to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and other chronic conditions. The best way to increase testosterone levels is by exercising regularly, drinking plenty of water, and getting enough sleep. Additional strategies such as weight loss and dietary changes can be effective too. With these simple strategies, you'll have more energy and feel healthier than ever before. How to increase testosterone levels quickly. The main reason why many men are not able to get an erection is because of low testosterone levels. In fact, it can be said that low testosterone levels are one of the most common health problems among men. If you want to increase your testosterone levels quickly, then you need to know the things that can help you. Which foods increase testosterone the most? 10 foods that increase testosterone. The foods that increase testosterone are as follows. Eggs, especially the high-quality eggs from free-range chickens. These eggs contain a high amount of vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are known to increase testosterone levels. The antioxidants present in the egg yolk also help in the absorption of the nutrients present in the egg. This helps increase testosterone levels in men as well as women, and also helps in reducing estrogen levels too. Dark chocolate is also an excellent source of antioxidants that help to increase testosterone levels. It is rich in flavonoids like epicatechin, which has been found to boost T production by 3% to 5%. It contains no fat or cholesterol and has a low glycemic index score, GI. Whole grains, which are rich in B vitamins, increase testosterone production by suppressing estrogen levels and increasing the production of luteinizing hormone, LH, and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, by the pituitary gland. Kiwi fruit is one of the best foods that help increase testosterone levels in men. It contains dietary fiber that helps to suppress estrogen levels, which increases testosterone levels. This fruit also contains a lot of vitamin C, which is known to increase testosterone levels too. Kiwi fruits also contain vitamin A and E, both of which are antioxidants that help block free radicals from damaging cells and thus help in increasing testosterone production as well as reducing estrogen levels. Soy is a good food source of isoflavones, which are phytoestrogens that are known to help boost testosterone production. Soy also contains high amounts of protein, which helps in building muscle mass, and also contains high levels of zinc, which helps in increasing testosterone levels too. Sardines are one of the best foods that help increase testosterone levels in men. They contain high amounts of omega-3 fatty acids like EPA and DHA, both of which help in boosting testosterone production by increasing the production of luteinizing hormone, LH, and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. Sardines also contain high amounts of selenium, which is an antioxidant that boosts testosterone production by reducing free radical damage to cells. Peanuts are a good source of protein, which boosts testosterone production by increasing the production of luteinizing hormone, LH, and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. Peanuts also contain high levels of zinc, which helps in boosting testosterone levels too. Bananas are a good source of potassium, which helps in boosting testosterone production by reducing estrogen levels and increasing testosterone levels. Bananas also contain a lot of fiber, which helps in reducing estrogen levels and thus increasing the production of luteinizing hormone, LH, and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. Spinach is good food that contains luteinizing hormone, LH, and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, both of which help boost testosterone production by increasing the production of luteinizing hormone, LH, and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. Spinach also contains high amounts of fiber, which helps in reducing estrogen levels and thus increasing the production of luteinizing hormone, LH, and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. Oats are a good source of protein, which boosts testosterone levels by increasing the production of luteinizing hormone, LH, and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. Oats also contain high amounts of fiber, which helps in reducing estrogen levels and thus increasing the production of luteinizing hormone, LH, and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. Why do testosterone levels decrease? When a man reaches the age of 30, testosterone levels start to decrease. In a few years, most men will have about 1% less testosterone than they did when they were in their 20s. The natural aging process, As we get older, our bodies become less efficient at producing testosterone. This is due to changes in our pituitary glands and adrenal glands that produce hormones like cortisol and estrogen. Obesity. When you are overweight or obese, your body produces more cortisol and estrogen. These hormones can also decrease testosterone production. Chronic diseases, diabetes, hypothyroidism, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease all impair the body's ability to produce testosterone naturally. This condition is known as hypogonadism or low T. Since low T is a medical condition, it should be treated by your doctor or healthcare provider with medication if necessary. Stress. Stress causes many health problems including higher levels of cortisol and estrogen. This causes lower testosterone levels. Medications. Certain medicines can also suppress testosterone production, including anabolic steroids, antidepressants, and some antibiotics. Aging. As men get older, their bodies become less efficient at producing testosterone. This is due to changes in the pituitary glands and adrenal glands that produce hormones like cortisol and estrogen. Exercise. When you exercise, your body's enzymes produce more testosterone. Hormone replacement therapy, HRT, testosterone is produced in the testes. If you are deficient in testosterone, then HRT can be a good treatment option. However, HRT should not be used without first talking to your doctor or healthcare provider. Food. Men who eat more protein intake have higher levels of testosterone. Foods that are high in protein include fish, beef, and poultry. Other foods that are high in testosterone-boosting nutrients include soy products, nuts and seeds like flax seeds, and whole grains like brown rice and quinoa. Supplements. There are many supplements on the market today that claim to boost testosterone levels naturally or treat low T symptoms such as fatigue, decreased libido, and erectile dysfunction, ED. However, since these products are not tested by the FDA for safety or effectiveness prior to being sold, there is no way to know if they are effective or safe. Conclusion. There are many different ways to increase testosterone levels naturally. A healthy lifestyle, including diet and exercise, are two of the best ways to improve your testosterone levels. Following a healthy diet and engaging in exercise regularly can help you to achieve better overall health, leading to a healthier body and more energy.